Hello guys, I'm back. My name is Agne, for those who are new, Agne Brunette to be exact. If you are not following me on Instagram, I'm really encouraging you to follow. I'm gonna leave the link below somewhere, or here or there or below. I'm really happy to be back on YouTube. It's been really long time since I filmed a video, and for today's tutorial I decided to film my go-to look. It's been the most requested by you guys, and I pretty much wear this makeup on a daily basis when I'm not filming, but I have some things to do outside. So yeah, if you wanna know how to get this makeup look, then keep on watching. I always get asked a lot, how do you keep your skin flawless and glowy? So the secret is, ta-da! Stay hydrated. This is so important. I mean, I'm such a bad example when it comes to water because I don't drink water. I literally have to force myself, or I have to leave bottles around my house to remind myself to drink water and stay hydrated. Plus I do have dry skin, so it makes it even worse, you know, when you don't drink water. So I'm really encouraging you to drink water. And the second tip is skincare. Skincare is the key. Skincare is so important. I actually already primed and moisturized my skin. So I was using the double serum from Clarins. This is so good. I actually talked about it on my Instagram for those who are following me. And my most favorite cream, multi-active gel, also from Clarins. I love these two products. It's been like my holy grail for so many years. So that's what I have on my skin now. So if you want to see how I transform from this to this, then keep on watching. Let's start off with Fenty Beauty primer. So annoying because every time I try to film, there is so many noises around me. So either Daisy, my dog, is snoring. Now we have new neighbors. They are just moving in and it's just so loud. The primer is on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Face Tape Tarte foundation. I've been literally obsessed with this foundation since I got it at the Sephora event. I've been using it non-stop. If you are a full coverage girl, then go ahead and try this foundation because it's so good. You can see, like, instantly it gives me a filter skin. I swear to God, I love this foundation. And if you're wondering what brush I'm using, it's actually the brand called Doll 10, and it's a kabuki brush. For my concealer, I'm gonna be using Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, and how cute are these little diamonds? I love it. So yeah, it's really full coverage again, so you only need a tiny bit. I normally apply under my eyes and then on my cupids, chin, the bridge of the nose, you know, basically where I want to highlight my face. I recently got this powder in my PR package, and let me tell you, this is probably one of the best compact powders that I ever used. It's called Instant Blur and the number is 150. Also, excuse my nails. I don't know what happened to my nails, but I lost one. I only use a small amount because it is kind of heavy. Also, make sure you set around your eyes because this is where it tends to crease and you don't want any creases. It's time for the bronzer, and of course Hoola by Benefit. I don't know what happened, but my camera stopped recording. So all I did now, I was actually using the Too Faced Cocktail Party eyeshadow palette. I started off with Cabana Time. It's just a perfect beige, you know, just to start off. And then I was using Saucy Bossy for my eye crease. And once I'm done with this, then I'm gonna go and take She's Lit, which is like a really nice peachy shade. And I will apply this shade on the other side of my crease. I'm just adding the darker shade to kind of intensify the outer corners. What I did now, I went back with Cabana Time eyeshadow. I packed that on my eyelids to really brighten up the inner corners of my eyes. And of course, I'm gonna be using individual lashes. You guys know how much I love individual lashes. They are super comfy, easy to wear, looks natural. The only thing, it takes to apply them, but I'm so used to it already that like I'm so quick and I can just do them within a few minutes. So for that, I'm gonna be using a duo glue, tweezers. I'm gonna apply them one by one and you'll see how it looks like. Secret with individual lashes, you have to apply them very close to your natural lashes. That way it looks really natural and no one can tell that you wear falsies. I get so many compliments whenever I wear individual lashes, and people are always like, is that your real lashes? And I'm like, no, it's individual lashes. Also, if you want, you can just do half of your eye, and that way it will give you like a cat eye and it will save you some time. Or if you want, you can do a full eye, which will give really fluffy and full lash look. I see the difference here. I have individual lashes and here this is my real lashes. What a difference, right? It's drying. I'm gonna do my lips very quickly, and I'm gonna be using this MAC Cosmetics Strip Down Lip Liner. Yeah, I know, I need to buy a new one. It's almost gone. And for the lipstick, I will be using the Givenchy, the new collection. Why it's not focusing? Basically, you just press here and it opens like that. I love this shade. It's so beautiful. It's called Beige and it's just a really pretty shade. Me, I actually like to kind of overdraw my lips tiny bit, and I always make sure that I use matte shades because that way it's not showing that you overdraw your lips, because as soon as you apply a lip gloss or you use a shiny lipstick, it's gonna show and it looks actually really bad. And to set my face, I'm gonna be using Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 setting spray in scent of peach extract. That's the new one. This is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. Let me know in the comments below what videos you wanna see next, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys! Guys, I almost forgot about the giveaway. So since it's my first video after a really long time, I want to pick one winner, and I'm gonna be giving away a full box of makeup to one lucky winner. It's basically full box of like makeup, skincare, brushes, like a lot of good stuff. All you have to do is give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, and that's it. By the end of this week, I'm gonna pick one winner. It's open internationally and everyone can participate.